Hello friends, welcome back to my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys how to disable dial pad tone. Friends, you want to disable your dial pad tone in your Realme phone device. So friends, how can you disable? Guys, you can see this dial pad tone setting, and guys you want to disable in your Realme phone. So friends, how can you disable it? In this video I will show you guys. So before starting video, can first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon. So now time to start video. And first of all, open your phone setting to disable your dial pad tone. Then scroll it. Once you can see your sound and vibration setting, can tap here. Then again scroll guys. You can see guys your haptic and tune setting in your Realme phone device. So friends, tap here. Then guys you can see your dial pad tone setting. Friends, right side you can see this red, yellow and blue icon. So you will have to click here this icon. Then get this tone will off. So friends, you can see your dial pad tone will not work guys. You can check friends, you can see guys this tone will not work in your Realme phone. So like that guys, you can disable your dial pad tone in your Realme phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. We will meet on next video. Bye bye friends.